our stainless steel trash bin. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 24 inches, a depth of 18 inches, with a height of 44 inches tall. Measurements for the top wedge. We have 22 inches in length, 17 inches in depth. With the lip surrounding the wedge, we have 3 inches. Coming to the top and bottom, we have the main drop bin to dump in your trash and disposal. And the bottom is where the trash bin will rest. Trash bin will be included. Measurements for the trash bin will include 23 inches tall, with the interior dimensions of the trash bin being 16 inches in length, 11 inches in depth, also by 23 inches in height. Measurements for the interior where the trash bin rests will include 17 inches in depth, 24 inches in length, by 26.5 inches in height. Measurements apply for the bottom trash bin. Coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification. And the film can be peeled off, protecting the stainless steel finish of this trash bin. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.